다른데 그것도 봐본들이야. 응? 근데 뭐람 팅 순수순배 원저기 순수 차규 니 담을래야 근데 무슨 시규나베 네 갑자기 무슨 넘버 2당 안 대신도게 언제 러류 계획시네 대신도 좀 받아 주마 안 정단이 배배 미마 용리야 나 도망에 양 청으로 돼 지금 남들이야 는 거수당 섬주슈아이
Today is the first day of the pre-Munlam teachings before the 33rd Kaju Munlam. And so I would like to extend my welcome and greetings to all of you who have actually come. The two Lords of Refuges, all of the lamas, chulkus, spiritual masters, all of the monks and nuns, and all of the members of the public who have come from all directions. So welcome.
다들 안다리디 먼저다 송주 대 예든 차기 신비 먼저 티 예든 주면체 안 정거 공주 공진 당부 로르 타이게 제샤 다디 나네 면제게 거디 샤임래
Now for this pre-Munlam teaching, the topic is the mandala offerings from the Torch of True Meaning, the instructions on Mahamudra by the first Jamgon Kongtrul Lodro Rinpoche, Lodro Tai.
다디 ngedun jemege de sungje de da lo kashi cheje de simbre 제자 ndari menjegi da khadu delia chensamdo de menjeg kordelia leore.
We have been having these teachings on the Torch of True Meaning for a few years now, and so at this point we have come to the instructions on mandala offerings.
다 delaya jidangi jigi che chenyin jewe korlia da gechi shuru de ane che ma xiangen ne binia cendi ge de ji cendi twenyan zhe ge ye ji mayinba ji chima ye kashada ta kanda de kashure de ji che da tunbe samba da na xinge xianbian ge samba 안 되게 군에 라네 아 주시고 요래 최년gen 주인비네요 안다 자 망부지 타를 문데 레치 예비 인두산에 안지 소소데 레버디 지 퇴매바다 추수즈 먼저에 된다려야 소소인비네 소소시제 안에 군론다 셈게데서 데즈 남균데미다 안데지 상으로 야르부 당시
When we are teaching or listening to the Dharma, what is most important is for the teacher, that the teacher not do this seeking anything for this life. Instead, he must be thinking, the teacher must be thinking about future lives, must have a thought that matches the Dharma, the motivation of benefiting others. It's in this way that the teacher should teach the Dharma. Now, for you listeners as well, many of you have come from a great distance to come here. And you should make your travels here so that they are not pointless, that they do not go to waste. It is important that you listen not with your ordinary motivation and your ordinary resolves, but that you instead listen with an even better and even kinder motivation.
That's the 지금 가르쳐요. 다분한 최신계인데나 드린데 최신계 등 아라님베 계시를 지래 아라님베 주를 지래 드린 뉴스단다 최신계 원의 셰비 있는 다시 단계 지 방도 의원대 지 기준 상승 의원대 된데다 개요 말데 임비냐 조디 다지 가져 최마 셰베 걸리야 다지 오늘은 수수 미진나로 님을 지지기 미진나로래야지 라렌 따투버지당 에너지 유화동도 버르지 딘데지기 용투야르지 아용 삼세 딘데지기 딱한다 균론으로지 장체 수수이나다지 배 최셔야되지 더 가서다지 지 최사보 안지 지 시라지 라렌 따를 걸려 지당 년주 사보에 비치 라렌 따를 걸려야 에너지 라렌 지 다 모토버는 근데 많이 봐 나간다지 가제 이면에 라렌 토래야 제도버로 근데 지요하기 에너지 배주로 체제 장수 최세가 걸랑하나 그런 데를 지키제 장수 최시기 안에 레인주산 디균셀 때네 강주직 최년의 중요한 비내야 다지 갈라칸삼으로 딘지기다 얘기다 삼바 자와 딘지지여디 강주 시베 토네 갈라칸삼으로 지 강주의 비내야 진비지 유화동과를 지가 야나지 배주체과를 지 아주
So for our teachings, it seems that I am the teacher, and so in terms of being the Dharma teacher, I'm not someone who has the qualities of abandonment and realization, or the qualities of being learned, venerable, and wise. But when I teach the Dharma, I try to teach something that we can put into practice in our everyday lives, something that we can actually make a change. And so that is the motivation that I teach with. When I teach, when we teach the Dharma, we could teach the profound, something profound, but that's difficult to put into practice. It's very profound when you listen to it, but we're not able to actually put it into practice in our daily lives. So I think it's important that that I try to teach Dharma that we can actually that we can actually connect with what we do and that we can actually put into practice. And so that is my motivation when I teach the Dharma. And so I hope that you listeners also, my intention and hope is that you listeners will also be able to do this. I think that it is important that you will be able to make some changes and put some effort into this.
아디 샴리아 엔게든 주메기 menjegi ko tidi da ma gorma disman döna samtaso.
Next, I would like to recite a little bit of the text from the Torch of True Meaning on the mandala offerings.
Sumba tsongi zoje menjegi tila. Menje rinpoche so gyu sang na chungya gyeme. Zashin dogu gyungye na gyache ogu. Joba me na shinglip yamlip so dang te dang deyang manjur na yiju kone gyang chok. Somi bache menrengi gwebe gyu sangwa da chewa dela jube menre da jishu chebe menre che tsumbo rab sirngu so rinpoche ring tong da rinpo tana Nendeso, Rutzangma, Chisangi, Lingi, Sheshin Baba, Tian Jorna, Sari Rishin Sarba Je, Majorna, Rusava Surdu Shabi, Kaso, Jenny Children Rangalong, Gunjoga Chevi Bugu.
Third, the instructions for mandala offerings which perfect the two accumulations. There is nothing wrong with a small mandala plate if it is made of a good, precious material. A mandala of poor materials such as clay or wood ought to be large. If you lack resources, it is permissible to use a board, a piece of slate, and so forth, or to visualize one if you cannot afford even that. The most important thing is the visualization. You will need 2 mandala plates. Use the one that is larger and of the better material as the mandala of accomplishment, and the other as the offering mandala. For the offering piles, precious substances such as gold, silver, and so forth are best. Conch and cowrie are the next best. The least is clean grain such as barley or rice moistened and tinted with saffron water. If you can afford it, use new ones each time. If not, replenish the grains with fresh ones that you have set aside. The grains you offer should not be used for your own consumption later, but should be offered to the 3 jewels.
Mendela Puya, Sumbuguyak, Yang, G, Zedi, Kanjigueva, Dinguzinaibre.
What this text describes is the mandala that we should use. First of all, the size that it should be, the materials it should be made of, and it also describes the materials that we should offer.
Menjedi Shamlia, Daji, the Consumer Tambo, Karashian Wars, Menjes are the Karasuaras. Menjes as Namushi, and Tangunet Mendes at Nakaris, teaching as Jishan Ware. That the name Menjedi Gubja, Gukanshi Trubachi, Gubja the Candisima, Ting as Jishan Ware. That Nidi Jelia, Menjedi Ip, Menjedi Kado. 간지지가 디지시한 거래. 나 디지엘라 면제디기 치중기 체. 야치중 디지시한 거래. 제가 디시부디 안주지 면제법이 권이야. 디시부디 안주. 뭐서비스다 하고 쳐.
Now, as I mentioned, we need to know what the mandala is. We talk about mandalas all the time, but what is a mandala really? What does it mean to say that it is mandalas? We need to know what materials they are made of. We need to know the shape. We need to know the color. We need to know the size of the mandala. So these are 4 different things that we need to understand about the physical mandala.
Machine you maintain some other Kaduna, Ladi, some Mima, which is something the Pugin and some Tingle. That maintains Sadi, Gahagi Chadi or that Lizard Gere, London to be or Takanda, Gahakire.
Now, in Tibetan and Chinese, we say mandala. And so we think, actually, when we talk about mandalas, we think that mandala is a Tibetan word, but it's not. It's actually a Sanskrit word.
Pyoge Nalola, Pyoge Loza is Mendesadi, Kingorle Yurib.
The Tibetan translators translated in Tibetan as Kyunkor, or the center and edges.
Ya Samsam Kingorle, Ming Dalia, Pyoge Daninalo, Danimba Yi, Genimbe Nalole. 탈스를 탈라탈 예서는 탈스야지 버지 야게는 수중이서를 삼정이 야게 나로래야 긴고를 단청 단세저로 뒤수기 용지 탈차이서를 삼정해서 다들 제발다.
Now, in some old texts, we see that in in old texts, they have an old word they use in Tibetan that is Dao. And I think that this is probably from the Chinese, because the Chinese word is Tan, and then bringing that into Tibetan, it probably became Dao. But this is something that needs to be investigated.
단도는 긴고를 쓰려고 윤생 가르스나 덩이기나 유덩이기나 놀래요. 다 측주하르디 측디 시에모가지 다도 나도 길세하디 닝부 된다래서 닝부 되네 길세하디 닝부 된다 되네 이제 다 긴고를 쓰야도 저도 닝부 렘버 체베 다 가져요 긴고를 잡지 닝부 렘버 체베기 가져요 다 Now
the reason why the translators in Tibetan called this Kyun Chord, or the center and the edges, or the center and the surroundings, is described in the Hevajra Tantra in 2 books. I don't think it's necessary to say the actual citation, but it basically says that the word Kil, the first part, the center, means the essence. And so the meaning of a mandala is that we are extracting the essence.
Tati nyingbu sayadi karasana ta jigi sangana sunshawege nimege ishi nime gi ishi di nganzu di nyingbu tartuwaru lishe lingyung nyingbu deche ta yinbene nga tenjabi nyingbu tartuwadi nganzu 내 당분에 렌트고 말아 렌바 제 톱을 제토고 말아 드네 주산 람 림시 줍네 제 가르 람 림기 줍네 안 갈리갈리 제제 가다 디야 톱을 제바 렌버 제바 드네지 드네 위 주산 디 균셀라 데네 다 면제디 조디 된저비가 딱 간다 님의 순주기 이시 타르투베게 다지 톱제로 드네지 야버디 아주
So what is that essence? In the secret mantra it is said that the essence is the natural fundamental wisdom. That is what we need to gain, or what we need to extract. But we beginners cannot immediately extract that ultimate fundamental essence or wisdom. Instead, we need to gradually accomplish it through the path, and then eventually we will be able to achieve or be able to extract that ultimate essence. And so for that reason, a mandala is a method for us to be able to extract or achieve what we eventually need to achieve, the ultimate unified fundamental wisdom.
자라가 상기 상회기 상기 상회기 가르치면서나 상기 상회기 긴고를 써야 돼. 대시교인 뉴스안에 길을 써야 돼. 조체 코르스야 돼. 주바 대시교를 가디 조더 주바스도 가르치고 그랬으나 아주 멘제 피에 qab리야 멘제 오마티 피규모 멘제 의실로디 드네 리시르를 단자바디 멘제 오마디 피앙 조르드 데레스 링시르를 단자바디 제자 데길체 코르스를 단 다데르 리시르를 단자바디 다지 지 가르레 두글롱제 섬르 되롱제 지 체베기 뭐보 망부지기 베 삼지미제바 파 주니 텔레야다 간다 리시지 조 대체 아니 타고로도 지 가르지 최배롱주 삼기 미겨봐 다 주인이 표기하래 제가 디 코르스로치 미규 마마디 조디 리시지를 제베체 안 텔레야 되롱주 삼기 미겨베 지베 가르지 다 주인이 이기 주인이 안디 주로 강도에서 디 강도에서 근데 표야 인상 디균zel 때네 긴고르사데 조다 쳬바 지 가저 조다 주베기 개발학 도냐 긴고르지 경유하래서
Now, there's another explanation of the term by the Indian master Sanghabhadra. And this explanation is when we say that the mandala means the center and the edges, the center means the primary, and the edges means the emanated. So the primary here means what we actually offer, and that is the 4 continents and Mount Meru. That is primarily what we are offering, and so that is what is referred to by the word center. And then the edges, or it refers to all of the sensory pleasures, all of the possessions, everything good that we then fill those 4 continents and Mount Meru with, so that we mentally emanate those. So those are the emanations. So in this way, the primary offering is the 4 continents and Mount Meru, and then all of the sensory pleasures and good things that we fill that with are the around the edges. Those are the emanated offerings, and so that is the meaning of the term. So the primary, in this way, the term the center and the edges means the center refers to the 4 lands in Mount Meru. The edges refer to the emanated offerings that we then fill the 4 continents in Mount Meru with. And so in this way, the meaning of the word mandala is drawing the distinction between the primary and the emanated offerings.
단도나 지 랑기 지 가르 지 톱제스는다 랑기 데베기 미유 가리메데 아니 가수에 뇌스머리 지다 아니 학과를 지과 개좀심 차려야래 제가 디균제다 아주 톱제 가르했잖아 딱 간다라 사바다 야시베게다 간다라 가주지 다 사바도 야서 말은 다 간다 지 간다 상계 공파 리차디어래 제자도 상계 공파디 나라도 톱저리 제네 제 톱에 된다래야 지 라마래야 면제기 쳐봐 양내 양도 퓨 대표할 때네 랑기 규기 다지 디바티스 सब도 सनंद डिबते दो छियां दो सोने एने युनदे छिजे दो सोने अन थार डिबत हम योसु से युनदे हम योसु जोबा ता दिंदेजी चारदी 아주 미유 세란다도 톱치 세란다도 디 데임버들 자자 디 세버지 바디 딱 계속 잡아
for us to understand that when we offer a mandala, what is the essence that we need to extract? What is it that we ultimately need to achieve? What is our aim? What is it that our aim? So we need to identify and understand this. So what is it that we are trying to achieve? We are trying to achieve the state of Buddhahood, the vast and profound Buddhahood. And so we take Buddhahood as what we try to achieve, and then as the method to achieve that, then we make offerings, repeatedly make offerings of mandalas to the gurus. By doing this, the obscurations in our beings become thinner and thinner, and less and less, and we are able to increase our qualities. And so by decreasing our obscurations, we will eventually achieve the aim, or what we are trying to achieve. And so this is what we need to clearly understand.
and choose a good share about such person chai jidangyo umaji sugyungi chiche shebe gableya choose sumshiste she the carroji choose sumshi singa the share ma the person choose jigs the person shot the omane ta ine ji carre yam mas choose mango de 계제 시에두산에 대지 가서에 최신견에 갈래도 최년견에 갈래요래 이제 양 최년견의 망고지 갈래갈래지 니고주래 제자 디균선대네 아니 주주 직스마도学习가 말해. 주주 지시에 대해 니 공주님의 저도 삼성. 렌두사 다 같이 걸리 지도 최마시에는 가면도. 렌두사네 다디 안다 주주 고드시가 받을이야. 다시
Now, next we will have a tea break until 9:30 a.m. Now, traditionally, the teachers would teach the Dharma for 3 or 4 or 5 hours without any break. They just didn't take any breaks. But these days, it seems that teaching, a lot of sessions like that gets very difficult for the teacher, and it gets difficult for the listeners. And sometimes it seems like many of the listeners start to fall asleep. Even now, when we only have an hour-long teaching, already some people are falling asleep. So maybe at this point it's better not to teach for too long. So we will now have the tea break until 9:30.